Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and this is Professor Mhoz, a PhD in zoology, and I'm going to take you through coordination in animals. This is A-level biology, systemic A-level biology, basic and simplified revision notes, and I want to take you through coordination in animals. Coordination refers to the body's mechanisms carried out by an organism in causing a response to a stimulus. The ability of an organism to respond appropriately to a stimulus is termed as irritability. Bodies of organisms have a self-regulating mechanism which is coordinated differently in different organisms. A stimulus refers to a change in either the internal or external environment, for example, pain, change in temperature and water content, light intensity, and its direction, food and nutrients. Response refers to a reaction of an organism towards a stimuli. Responses vary amongst different organisms and according to the magnitude and the nature of stimulus. Each organism has its own specific type of sensitivity that improves its chances of survival. For example, an amoeba can move away from very bright light, but it can move towards food. Plants grew with their shoots bending towards light from a given direction and therefore growing away from darkness. Unicellular organisms lack specialized systems of coordination. Large organisms, that is multicellular, such as mammals, birds, and reptiles, possess a coordinating system for causing an appropriate response to a stimuli. We look at the components of coordinating system. We have a stimulus. We have the channel, receptor or sensor transmission of information. We have the coordinator. So it sends the feedback, appropriate feedback, to the effector, and then we have a response. Animals are multicellular organisms, that is eukaryotes. Some lower animals like codalians, coelentrates such as hydra, sea anemone, jellyfish have a coordinating system made up of only the nervous system and their level of organization at tissue level. The nervous system comprises of a mesh of nerve cells for linking up and sensing stimulus perceived by the tentacles with other cells. The diagram showing the body wall of a hydra. These animals are diproblastic, meliorated. The nervous system of these animals is formed within the mesoglia to coordinate the cells of the endoderm higher animals, for example, birds, reptiles, mammals, amphibians. Fish have two coordinative systems, namely nervous system and the hormonal system. The two systems maintain a relatively constant external environment by coordinating the functions of the body's other systems. The nervous system acts quickly and provides a short-lived regulatory mechanism, whereas the hormonal system acts relatively slow but provides a larger and more sustainable regulation. The hormonal system in these higher organisms is termed as endocrine, and the two systems are interlinked via a central nervous system. Differences between hormonal and nervous system. The information or message is chemical. In the nervous, the message is electrical and chemical in nature. The message is carried within the blood. The message is carried along the nerve cells. The message is transmitted slowly. The message is transmitted rapidly. The slow and long-lived responses are rapid and short-lived. We shall embark on that next time. We shall look at the endocrine system. Thank you. That's wishing you the best. of the day.